Holy cow, it's a whiteout. Oh god, get hit by the door. Good gracious. We turn around for 1 second and now there's this fucking snowstorm. Gotta love living in the middle of the desert. What the hell? Today's video is brought to you by Espresso. Now we're gonna go take this doggo out to walk. Let's go, doggo. You wanna go pee pee? Let's go pee pee, doggo. You so ready to pee? Are you ready to pee, Mr. Doggo? You ready to go? You ready to go? He's so happy and excited. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Get your jacket on. I'm bringing my baby. I'm bringing my baby. Come on, doggo. Let's go. Come on, doggo. You can't bring your baby, doggo. Leave it. No, drop your baby. Leave your baby.
Your baby.
Doggo, leave your baby. Doggo, leave your... Oh, they're good. No, leave your baby. Alright, let's go. No, don't bring your baby. Leave him here. Come on.
Good boy.
Good boy. He never wants to bring it so bad. He's going. He's like, let's go.
I'll take it with him. He can come too. Okay.
Let's go, doggo.
Oh.
Let's go. Alright, good boy. Come on. Let's go. Doggo, stay. Come here. Come here, you silly dog. Hey. Looks like we're gonna get some weather today, June says.
Doggo.
Doggo's ashamed. To the gym. In the meantime, we are working on this colorful guy, Doppio. I don't know where the rest of his stuff went, but he's hanging up right there. And we just finished this Azumarill, getting his tail on. Look at those big old ears and those eyes.
Those big old eyes. Big old eyes.
But getting the tail on, it'll be in the mail today. Also, June got us some really cool stickers. You can see that translucent shine there. Ooh. I've also secretly been working on this. Who's that RVer? Colors are not accurate, just testing it out. But for it being this small and this detailed, it's not too bad. So we're gonna bump it up a little bit, see if we can get more detail onto it. And got scissors. It's kind of blurry. There you go.
Ooh la la. They're spring action knife edge dressmaking shears.
And
oh, little ones.
the little embroidery scissors. cute.
I'm happy. Won't have to like be cutting through everything. It'll be all nice. Also got some sweet new magnets today that came in. They are our new little logo and stuff. We got a lot planned this year. It's gonna be kind of fun. Got a bunch of those and some new Manectrics. Manectric.
It is also a giant mess outside. Totally wet from yesterday's snow whenever the day before was like 60 degrees. Welcome to living in the desert. And that's where my water pump exploded one night. So now we've been fixing it. And for some reason it's still dripping. So might have to go back and put some more sealant on the gasket or something. Who knows? It is super wet today. Got the waste valves replaced on the RV. They're all brand new. Stays sealed, no more leaking. Happy day. And we've been working on these faces over the weekend, getting ready for today to start embroidering them. There's one of them. There's that one. And this one. Those are all still pretty much in the pile, sewn or being ready to sew.
Most of them are already sewn up. Or cut or ready to go.
Yep. So let's clear off the desk and start putting things together. So since everybody liked our last video of us showing around the shop, decided we'd show a little bit more of it. It is my embroidery station. After doing all those faces I showed you on the computer, I bring them over here and keep all my threads in this big ass container. Keep all my junk up on top from cons and other places. My board of goodies from cons. My serger and my sewing machine I've had for quite a long time. I bought it brand new and it has not died on me in the last 6 years. After traveling state to state. Actually,
it took one dive.
It did take one dive. It fell off the top of the RV cabinet.
Yeah, it fell off the
and landed
cabinet. Not
head
the top
first.
Of the RV.
Not the top of the RV, but just from the cabinet. Still far enough. This is our Christmas tree. It's up all year, every year. Our big fur piles, foam, and all the kigus that we're working on. Our big pile of fleece and other goodies. More fleece. Tables of crafts. All the paints and other buttons and crafting materials. Baby sewing machine and her serger that I don't know if it's messed up or not. It's acting weird. But for being brand new, it shouldn't be acting weird. There's our heads and all her decorations and Dutch Bros, because we run on Dutch Bros. Trusty shop vac and Doggo, our other trusty shop vac who keeps crumbs up. Yeah, you pick up the best crumbs, don't you? And over here stylizing. Even when we do our best, we still mess up. But good enough we can fix it because we're going to add a piece of fur to it. So we're going to cut it and I just add another side panel. So
no biggie.
No biggie.
No biggie, but it's just the big keychain. That's how I fit in my pocket.
It's our favorite time. We're gonna go ship something out. Alrighty, so since we got the package delivered, we decided to hit up the gym, get our groove on, and then get home and have some lunch.
Dinner.
Well, dinner at this point. But let's go. Also been currently working on getting some patches made for a certain YouTuber that we follow and give a little bit of credit to. Alright, we're getting Oreo together today. It's gonna be exciting. Already got most of his face done from the other day, but let's get to it. We're getting grass out today, hopefully. Actually, I'll probably be going out Monday since the post office is already closed and Sunday's closed. But and baby's working on some wings.
Got some wings going on. It's fun because they're black on charcoal. So they go.
We're going with Kamiki. We finally got that one up, done, ready to go. Oh, you got the tail there.
Mm-hmm. I just got to get the tail on and some buttons, and they're good to go.
Right. Sydney B is gonna love it. She was our winner of our contest we had about a year ago. Liking, retweeting, and subscribing to our account. So she gets to have that as her.
She won the raffle.
She won the raffle.
Yep.
Hooray.
Working on this baby later today too. Getting ears completely on and everything. Doing some teeth. Got the mouth all ready for it. And, precious.
Yay. Doggo approves.
He's a precious baby too. Look at that.
There he goes. He got his baby. Come on, Doggo. So we're gonna end the video here today with grass getting put together and about to be put into the mail.
Got a cute little puppy dog hood I'm making, and we got spots on the back and the front. Put it all together, like you said, and then in the mail. Yeah.
Yeah. Doggo, do you want to say anything to our viewers? You want to say bye? You can give them a booth? No stretch? Give them a little stretch? Doggo loves you guys, and Doggo, we'll see you next time.
Be reminding you to always stretch.
That's right. Stretch, guys. That's right.